So now we're talking about the area of a triangle, and a lot of us know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Some of us might write this as base times height over 2. Those are both equivalent when we look at it. The base of the triangle is I could choose one of the sides here, and then if I were to draw a perpendicular line down, that would be my height. You can go ahead and you can explore this on GeoGebra by clicking that link. So find the area of a triangle. Well, here, this triangle looks a little different, but this is my base here of the actual triangle. So if I'm looking at the area, 1/2 base times height, well, I already know how to plug in my base. It's 5.5. I now just need to look at which one is my height. Well, the height's the one that is perpendicular, and it goes from the top of the triangle all the way down to, if I were to extend this line onto infinity, that would be my height here. So what I would choose is 10.4 for my height. So all I would do is just plug this into my calculator here. And so I would do 0.5 or 1/2 times 5.5 times 10.4. And you should get 28.6. And just so you know, the units, we got to put meters, and since it's area, it's always going to be squared.